When potential is introduced or induced on the conductor ends, then electric field acting and producing increasing and decreasing velocity on in or in uniform drift velocity. Drift velocity means संवहन वेग, जिसको हम अपवाह वेग भी कहते हैं। ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इज आल्सो नोन एज संवहन वेग और अपवाह वेग। Propagation of electric current and propagation of charge through a conductor, and their propagation from one ends to another ends and electric work done on the electrons, by which velocity is known as drift velocity। मीन्स जब किसी चालक के छोरों पर विभवांतर आरोपित होता है, पोटेंशियल आरोपित होता है, तब चालक पर विद्युत क्षेत्र कार्य करने लगती है। When potential is introduced or induced on the conductor ends, then electric field acting and producing increasing and decreasing velocity on in or in uniform, it is as so the velocity of electrons is called drift velocity। मीन्स जब किसी चालक के एंड पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल को इंड्यूस किया जाता है, तब चालक पर विद्युत क्षेत्र कार्य करने लगती है। और द वेलोसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में बी इंक्रीज्ड और मे बी डिक्रीज्ड, बिकॉज व्हाइल इन द प्रोपागेशन इन द पाथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर there is the collision between the electrons and protons in its propagative path. Such a velocity is created. That velocity is called drift velocity or average drift velocity। Average drift velocity। Now again the drift velocity is how to express। Again listen, संवहन या अपवाह वेग किसी चालक पदार्थ के किसी चालक पदार्थ में बहने वाले आवेश के नियत वेग है जो औसत अपवाह वेग कहलाती है। अपवाह वेग कहलाती है। When potential is induced on the ends of a conductor, there should be a constant velocity of electrons is created that is either increasing or decreasing, because when electrons is moving from one end, they may collide with the positive charge and produce a constant velocity. That very constant velocity is called drift velocity and average drift velocity. Now the point is how to obtain drift velocity. Obtaining of drift velocity. Obtaining of drift velocity, suppose this is a conductor. This is a conductor PS which total length is L. Total length is L and their one end charge is plus Q and one end charge is minus Q coulomb, minus Q coulomb। माना कि PS एक कंडक्टर है जिसके अनुप्रस्थ काट क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया A, length L, number of electrons N and total given charge is Q. Total given charge is Q. Therefore, total charge Q equal to N A L, that is length, L E, ये नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को बताता है, ये एरिया को, ये लेंथ को, और N यहाँ पर जो है N बताती है कि कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसमें ई चार्ज लेकर के वन एंड से दूसरे एंड तक फ्लो करता है एंड क्रिएट हाउ मच चार्ज विद इन ए कंडक्टर। देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट ए क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया n number of electrons L, length of conductor and Q is total charge upon of the conductor. Of the conductor means total current of the conductor is NaLe, means length, area, number of electrons and their charge. Here is the total charge. Therefore let charge flow in length 1 second. If flow of charge in a conductor is in 1 second, flow of charge is 1 second. Therefore T equal to, that is the time period, T equal to L upon Vd, where Vd equal to drift velocity. Let power of the current is I, then Q by T, as you know, I equal to Q upon T, and that can be written Q into Vd upon length of the conductor, but Q, that is the total charge, its value is NaLe, that is I equal to NaLe into Vd by L. L cancel, then I equal to NaE Vd, that is equation 1. Let I equal to Ne Vd is equation first. Therefore Vd, we have to finding out the drift velocity. Therefore Vd equal to I upon NaE. If area of conductor is negligible, if area of conductor is negligible, then Vd equal to I upon Ne. Clear? Means A is larger and larger than 1, that is very much minimum, then Vd become I upon Ne. ठीक है, तो आप कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी कंडक्टर की जो ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी होती है वह उसमें प्रवाहित करंट और टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के संख्या के रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं। अतः हम बता सकते हैं कि इफ वी डी इक्वल टू आई बाय एन ई देन वी डी इक्वल टू J upon NE, where what is the J? तो J equal to density of current I by A. If A is negligible, then I upon A equal to density of current. Then we produce drift velocity of a conductor depends on density of current upon magnitude of the current, and Vd equal to density by number of electrons. If path of the propagation is zigzag, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के फ्लो की जो पाथ है वह यदि ऊबड़ खाबड़ टेढ़े मेढ़े और रैंडम हो तो velocity of electrons are disrupted. If path is random, zigzag, none equal, then the velocity of electrons is disrupted. रुक कर कंडक्टर में फ्लो करेगा. Therefore, we can derive it in this manner, that is called drift velocity, means disrupted drift velocity. Disrupted velocity due to random path is equal to E by m tau. Here tau is average time. Tau is average time, and if propagation path is plane, then drift velocity depends upon a linear velocity by the first equation of law, V equal to U plus AT. Therefore, the what is drift velocity and how can it obtain? As you know, drift velocity is depends on a flow of charge through a conductor with a constant velocity is called drift velocity. अगर किसी चालक में संवहन करने वाले चार्ज का वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट हो तो ऐसे वेलोसिटी को हम ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी कहते हैं. एंड टुडे द क्लास इज ओवर. Before going to know anything, I request you, if the plan explanation of the drift velocity is understanding by the easier form and you understand very well, then आपसे कहना है कि आप कम से कम हमारे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करने के साथ साथ शेयर भी अवश्य करें, ताकि हमारी वीडियो और आपकी जो ये क्लास है ये एक अच्छी मुकाम को प्राप्त कर सके. थैंकिंग टू यू. टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द mobility and Ohm's law on the basis of electric current and the charge.